Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Dreadlocks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're going to be looking at Willow Smith's dreadlocks. Now, she does have extensions in, but she had dreadlocks in before she added in the extensions. That's why her dreadlocks are so long, but we'll get in that today. Before we actually look into her dreadlocks, I want you guys to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to go check out the Dreadlocks Instagram page, which is literally a community of everybody with dreadlocks. And you guys can actually tag Dreadlocks and be featured on the page, the channel, and even the website, which I'll talk more about the website later on in the video when we get into the products that Willow Smith most likely used for her dreadlocks. Now, since you already liked the video and subscribed and checked out the Instagram page, let's jump straight into it, guys. So Willow Smith, she's in a very popular family. She's the daughter of Will Smith, sister of Jaden Smith, and the list can really just keep going on. Now, I really like her dreadlocks now, but I even enjoyed her dreadlocks when they were just at the actual length that she had, and it almost seemed like her hair was growing really quickly. And I feel like both Jaden and herself had some really awesome dreadlocks. And we all know that Jaden actually cut his off, and I'm telling you, he had probably one of the best dreadlocks in the game, in my opinion. Let me know if you guys really liked his dreadlocks or if you just thought they were okay. Because in my opinion, they were hands down the best dreadlocks in the game. Now, just really quickly, if any of you guys are new, if you're looking at my hair like, yo, what the heck's going on with your hair? I'm freeforming my hair, and you guys can actually watch the journey on my main channel. And I'm a little over 3 months into locking my hair up and just allowing it to lock on its own, not doing anything to it. But you can see that on my main channel. Now, for everyone out there who wants to get their dreadlocks like Willow Smith, I'll walk you through the process really quickly on how she actually got them. And I usually like to start out with her hair type. And her hair type is most likely a 4B. Now, I feel like a lot of people that I do reviews on actually have this hair type. But if you actually don't know your hair type, please click the link down below that says what is my hair type, and it'll explain everything for you, from not only your hair type, but what method you can use in order to get dreadlocks with your specific hair type. So with Willow Smith having that 4B hair type, it's kind of easy to see what direction she went in when choosing a method to get dreadlocks. So with this, we can probably say that maybe she did sponge rub, maybe she did twisting with gel, maybe she did crochet hooking. There's so many options she can do with that hair type, because I feel like the tighter your curl pattern is, the more methods you have to do. You have more options. But in this case, I'm almost positive she did twisting with gel, and I would recommend the product of the day, which is Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Gel. I'm telling you, this is hands down the best locking gel that I've used, and so many other people use it. And I'll leave a link to the locking gel down below. It'll just take you straight to Amazon. You can purchase yourself some, and I'm telling you guys, you will not regret it. It's the best locking gel on the market. It smells really good, but not only that, it washes out very well. It doesn't leave any residue in your hair, and that allows your hair to not have buildup. And everybody wants to avoid buildup in their dreadlocks, because all you want in your dreadlocks is hair. You don't want no chemicals or any products or leftover shampoo or anything in your dreadlocks. And this is a great product that will help prevent that. But not only that, we've seen that Willow Smith took an extra step and actually added in extensions, and her extensions are really long. And it's crazy to say this, but we don't only see this in Willow Smith, but we see Lil Pump. He has dreadlock extensions. We've seen Smoke Perp when he had dreadlock extensions. And I'm actually doing a review on Young Thug this week, and we've seen him, he has extensions in. We've seen so many people, not only just females getting dreadlock extensions, but so many people getting dreadlock extensions, like even Javaya too. But it's a very popular thing. I actually think it's pretty cool seeing people getting dreadlock extensions, to be honest, and seeing how it's accepted and people aren't, you know, hating on them for it. And I'm not the type of person to hate on someone for something that they do just for something materialistically, or you know, as far as a hairstyle or even what they're wearing. But I'll tell you my favorite stage of Willow Smith dreadlocks, and I want to hear you guys' comments down below. What was your favorite stage of Willow Smith dreadlocks? Was it when they barely started? Was it when they were pretty long right before the extensions, or is it now with the extensions? Because I like all three of the stages, but I think for me, it was really cool seeing her hair when it was starting out with dreadlocks. And it seemed like she was literally just twisting it whenever she had free time. If you've seen her in interviews, or you know, I've seen her in an interview with Jaden Smith, and she's just sitting there twisting her hair. And I'm pretty sure that's how she started, just really, you know, twisting her hair and allowing it to lock up and doing all that. And you can do that. I'll tell you that using locking gel will kind of speed up the process, because it'll hold your hair a whole lot better. But her constantly, you know, just twisting her hair, that will lock it up. You can sit there and twist your hair all day, and that will eventually lock up your hair. with that hair type. So I'm telling you, watch that hair type video and it'll help you guys out a whole bunch. But I truly liked that beginning stage when all her hair was kind of just standing up, because I know on my first set of dreadlocks, when my hair was standing up, I liked that stage a whole lot compared to when my hair was really long. And I think her hair looked really cool right before going into the extensions. Also, I think it looks really good now. But please comment down below what was your favorite stage of Willow Smith dreads. I can really appreciate her hair. And seeing her with extensions, believe it or not, I didn't expect something like that from her. And it's really cool to see that she actually has extensions and that she married them to her dreadlocks. And what I mean by married them is she crochet hooked them together. So I'm also linking a crochet needle down below, because that'll help you guys out with if you wanted to get dreadlock extensions. And there's so many options online to where you can get these actual hair dreadlock extensions. And if you guys would really like me to lead you to a dreadlock extension page, comment down below and I'll send you directly to some that I've worked with personally. But you guys, that's Willow Smith's dreadlocks. Hopefully you guys got a lot out of this and how to actually get dreadlocks, because this whole channel is mainly focused on how to get dreadlocks. And I feel like any video you watch on this channel can really help you take your dreadlocks to the next level, or figure out how to get your dreadlocks better, or even just start them. So hopefully this video helped you out. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.